Alright guys, today's goal, the learner will understand and master how to factor ax squared plus bx plus c when a does not equal 1. Okay? So, first thing you got to do is a times c. So, 3 times 4, that's 12. They have to add to equal b. So what multiplies to positive 12 and adds to 8? Well, you get 6 and 2. Now, this is where you can't do what we did before. You can't do this. X plus 6, x plus 2. Because is x times x 3x squared? No. This is where we have to think. Okay? So you got to ask yourself, how do you multiply to get 3x squared? Well, the only way is 3x and x. Now, ask yourself this. How do I multiply to 3x to make it equal 6? Well, that would be multiplied by 2. How do I multiply 1x to have it equal 2? Well, 2. Then check. Is 2 times 2 4? Yes. So we are done. Okay. So let's take a look at the next one. Alright. So you can still do 4 times 5. So 20. They have to multiply to 20, but they have to add to equal negative 9. So, well, I think it's negative 5 and 4. Now, this is where we have to think. See, back up for a second. Over here we had 3x and 1x, because that's how you get 3x squared. But if you look, we're trying to get 4y squared. Well, that could be 4y times y, but it also could be 2y times 2y. So look at the first one. What do I have to multiply 4 by to have it equal negative 5? And hold on a sec. I said, but this should be a negative 4. Okay. Because it has to multiply to be a positive and add to be a negative. So, can I multiply 4 and have it equal negative 5? No. Can I multiply 4 and have it equal negative 4? Yeah. Negative 1. Can I multiply 1 and have it equal negative 5? Yep. Negative 5. Is negative 5 times negative 1 positive 5? Yes. So there is your final answer. We did not need that one. But there are different options there, guys. Alright, so let's take a look at the next slide now. So factor. So go ahead and pause. Give this one a try. My only tip for you before you pause it is this. For this one, you could have 6k and k, or you could have 3k and 2k. So go ahead and press pause and try this one on your own. Try number 4 as well. So, alright, hopefully you guys press pause. So, this one, I have to do 6 times negative 12. A times C is negative 72. And it has to add to negative 1. So I'm going to need something that multiplies to negative 72 and adds to negative 1. So what if I divided it by 8? I get negative 9. Well, that would work. So we need negative 9 and positive 8. Can I multiply 6 and have it equal negative 9? No. Can I multiply 6 and have it equal 8? Nope. So it's not that one. Can I multiply 3 and have it equal negative 9? Yeah. Negative 3. Can I multiply 2 and have it equal 8? Positive 4. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Check right here. 4 times negative 3, because those last two always get multiplied. So there we go. So hopefully you tried this one. Now, if you guys need to, you can still write it on the side, but I'm trying to get you to think about these in your head. But if you needed to, you could have said negative 72 and then negative 9, 8, and use those, okay? We're doing good, working hard. So we have 2h and h, that's it. And it has to multiply to negative 14 and add to positive 13. Well, 14, positive 14, negative 1. Can I multiply 2 and have it equal positive 14? Yep, positive 7. 1 and equal negative 1, negative 1. So there we go. Again, if you need to, write it over here. Multiply to negative 14, add to 13, so you'd get positive 14, negative 1. Write it down if you need it, guys. Couple more. Alright, now, same thing, except what do you notice? We talked about this just the other day. A is negative 1. Or, well, it's negative 3. We don't like that. So what does that mean we should do? Factor out a negative 1. So now you have 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. What multiplies to negative 6 and adds to positive 1? Well, positive 3 and negative 2. So what can I multiply 3 by to have it equal 3? 1. What can I multiply 1 by to have it equal negative 2? Negative 2. Check. Is negative 2 times 1 negative 2? Yes. And don't forget to bring down that negative 1. So go ahead and press pause and try number 6, guys. We're moving hard, we're working hard. Keep it up. So hopefully you did press pause. And what we get here, first step, factor out the negative 1. We get, nope, let's back up. There's the common mistake that I just made. I only factored the negative out of the first one. It'd be minus 6m plus 1. Now what multiplies to 5 and adds to negative 6? Well, negative 5, positive 1. So you get 5m, 1m. The negative 1's still out there. Well, what can I multiply 5 by to have it equal negative 5? Negative 1. What can I multiply 1 by to have it equal negative 1? Negative 1. Is negative 1 times negative 1 positive 1? Yes. Alright, so hopefully we're moving strong here. Working hard. So I'm proud of you guys the way we've been working the last few days. Alright. This is your homework, guys. Make sure, try your best to get these done. I have confidence in you. They will be correct. I will see you guys tomorrow.